Hello students, today we are going to learn sums based on some special results. Question number 1. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 4x square plus 11 dx. First we will consider the given integration as I. So I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4x square plus 11 dx. Now taking 4 common from denominator, we will get integration of 1 upon 4 common x square plus 11 upon 4. If we multiply this bracket by this 4, then again we will get the same term. Now since this 1 upon 4 is constant, we can write that outside the integration sign. So 1 upon 4 integration of 1 upon x square plus, now we want to write this in terms of square so that after squaring we will get the same term. So we can write this term as under root 11 upon 2 the whole square. If we square this term, then again we will get the same term 11 upon 4 dx. Now we already learned the result that integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Now if we compare with this term, then value of a is root 11 by 2. So by applying this formula, we will get the answer as 1 upon 4, which is constant here as it is, into 1 upon a. So 1 upon root 11 by 2 tan inverse of x upon a. So x upon value of a, that is under root 11 by 2 plus c, constant of integration. Now here after simplification, we will get 1 upon 2 root 11 tan inverse of 2x upon root 11 plus c, and that is the answer for the given question. Now question number 2. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 9x square minus 4 dx. Here also first we will consider the given integration as I. Now as 9 is the coefficient of x square, taking 9 common, in bracket we will get x square minus 4 by 9 dx. If we multiply this bracket by 9, then again we will get the previous term. Now as 1 upon 9 is constant, that we will write outside the integration sign. Then we can write this above term as 1 upon x square minus 2 upon 3 the whole square, because square of 2 upon 3 is 4 by 9. So we can write this 4 by 9 as 2 upon 3 the whole square. Now if we observe this term carefully, then this is in the form of 1 upon x square minus a square, and that is one of the result of integration, that integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Now here the value of a is 2 by 3. So by applying that formula, we will get the answer as 1 upon 9, which is constant, into 1 upon 2a. So value of a is 2 by 3 log mod x minus a. So x minus 2 by 3 upon x plus a. So x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Now if we simplify this, then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and then 3 into 2 into 2, that will be 12. So here we will get 1 upon 12 log mod, cross multiplying here we will get 3x minus 2 upon 3 upon 3x plus 2 upon 3. So denominator 3 will get cancelled. So we will get 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 2. So that is the answer for the given question. Now question number 3. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 16 minus 9x square dx. Here also first we will consider the given integration as I. Now as 9 is the coefficient of x square, we will take 9 common. So in bracket we will get 16 by 9 minus x square dx. If we multiply the bracket by 9, then again we will get the previous term back. Now as 1 upon 9 is constant, that we will write outside the integration sign, and this 16 by 9 we can write as 4 by 3 the whole square. Now if we observe this integration carefully, then this is in terms of integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx. This is also one of the result of integration, and the answer for which is 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Now here the value of a is 4 by 3. So applying this formula, we will get the answer as 1 upon 9 constant into 1 upon 2a. So 2 into value of a, that is 4 by 3, log mod 4 by 3 plus x upon 4 by 3 minus x plus c. Now simplifying this, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 2 into 4, that will be 24. So 1 upon 24 log mod, cross multiplying this, we will get 4 plus 3x upon 3 upon 4 minus 3x upon 3. So denominator 3 will get cancelled, and this is the answer. Now question number 4. Evaluate integration of 1 upon under root 9x square plus 25 dx. We will consider the given term as I. Now as 9 is the coefficient of x square, we will take 9 common inside the root. So inside root, by taking 9 common, we will get in the bracket x square plus 25 by 9. Now as 9 is inside the root, if we write that outside the root, then that will become 3. And in root we have x square plus 25 by 9. Now this 25 by 9 we can write as 5 by 3 the whole square. Now this is in the form of integration of 1 upon root of x square plus a square, where the value of a is 5 by 3. Now this is also one of the special result of integration, and formula is integration of 1 upon root of x square plus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So applying that formula and substituting the value of a as 5 by 3, we will get 1 upon 3, which is constant, as it is log mod x plus under root x square plus 5 by 3 the whole square plus c. Since further simplification is not possible, we will keep the answer as it is. Now question number 5. Evaluate integration of 1 upon under root 4x square minus 9 dx. Now here coefficient of x square is 4. So taking 4 common inside the root, in bracket we will get x square minus 9 by 4. Now this 4 is inside the root. If we write that outside the root, then that will become 2. And inside root term will be x square minus 9 by 4. Now this 9 by 4 we can write as 3 by 2 the whole square. Now this is in the form of integration of 1 upon root of x square minus a square, where value of a is 3 by 2. So by using again one more result, that is integration of 1 upon root of x square minus a square dx as log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. So applying this formula and substituting the value of a as 3 by 2, we will get half, which is constant, into log of x plus under root x square minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus C. And this is the answer for the given question. Thank you, students.